Generac, being a large company, needing the most up-to-date system that they have, reached out to their integrator partner, Magic Pro in this case, and then Magic Pro got us involved in terms of putting together this solution. And that solution was reach out to INFiLED and pair that with Peerless, which is a leader in mounting structures for dvLED.
We had a lot of challenges. The two major ones were serviceability of the system. If one monitor went out, it was a domino effect. It would hit the 2 or 3 after that monitor because of that daisy chain design that was put in place. So the importance of having great technology like this installed in the current auditorium is, again, showing the employees that we make those investments, even in the conference rooms where we're going to allow them to utilize that to share their next project or plan with their team.
The Peerless-AV universal mounting system is best for this application because of the adjustability of the mount. It is universal, so it can work on a variety of cabinets. It is something that is readily available as well, so something that is stocked at Exertis Almo. So it is something that is in distribution with the LED cabinets. And it offers depth adjustment and the ability to do whatever you need the mount to do. So you have about 3/4 of an inch of depth adjustment to make the mounting system work, whereas if you were to purchase an OEM mounting system, it wouldn't have the same adjustment available.
So we had been using Peerless-AV mounting systems for a few years now with other LED wall manufacturers. And looking at the current auditorium specifically, we knew that we wanted to use a mounting system that gave us a lot of flexibility in terms of making sure the wall was easily plumb. Specifically with this being a retrofit application, we were removing TVs and attaching to a surface that we were not responsible for at the beginning phase with construction and build out. So we really wanted to make sure that we had a lot of flexibility with the mounting system that we chose, and Peerless-AV was the easy choice for that based off of previous experience.